What is a .dll file and what does it do in the system? Have you ever opened a program on Windows and seen something like the .dll file is missing? It's scary, but there's a logic behind it that's worth understanding. I'll explain in an easy way what this .dll file is and why the system depends on it so much. What .dll means? .dll stands for Dynamic Link Library. Think of it as a toolbox that several programs can use when they need to do something specific: display graphics, play sound, connect to the internet, save files, things many software applications do. The DLL stores code snippets and functions that different programs can use without having to copy everything into each one. Why use DLLs? Advantages of shared libraries. Imagine if every program had to load all the tools by itself. The computer would be full of repeated stuff, slow, and heavy. With DLLs, multiple applications use the same toolbox. This saves space, makes the system more efficient, and makes updates easier. If a function is fixed, all applications that use the DLL benefit. How the system and programs use DLLs. When you open a program, Windows loads the DLLs it needs. These DLLs provide ready-made functions like drawing text on the screen, reading files, playing sound, etc. The program calls the DLL's function as if it were its own. If the DLL isn't there or is corrupted, the program can't run and you get those missing .dll or .dll not found errors. Types of DLLs and common examples. There are DLLs used by the operating system itself for Windows basic functions and DLLs that come with specific programs. Sometimes, different programs use the same DLL. There are also driver DLLs or libraries for special tasks like graphics or sound, which is why installing a new game or heavy software often installs additional DLLs. What causes DLL problems? Problems arise when a DLL is removed, overwritten by the wrong version, corrupted by viruses, or when a program requires a different version than the one installed. Then the system complains, and that annoying error appears. Many Windows and program failures happen because of missing or damaged DLLs. How to fix or prevent DLL errors. To avoid headaches, install programs from reliable sources, don't delete DLLs manually, and avoid installing multiple conflicting versions. If an error occurs, sometimes reinstalling the program or repairing the installation can restore the correct DLL. For system DLLs, Windows repair tools can help. Summary: why it's worth understanding DLLs. DLLs are shared code libraries. They let many programs use the same tools without repeating everything. This makes the system lighter, more flexible, and more organized. But if something goes wrong with them, it can break several things at once. Knowing what they are and how they work helps you understand errors and keep your Windows more reliable.